I'm recording too. Ready?
All right. Hello, everyone. We're Group 5, and we're going to be covering Sprinkling Spirit and the Spirit Airlines. So let's go ahead and meet the team and have them introduce themselves one by one.
My name is Neely Antoine.
I'm Jessica Patel.
I'm Grace Shelton.
I'm Joe Paulus.
And I'm Shay Marie Portis.
All right, now we're going to be moving on to our situation analysis. So when we're looking at our competitive climate, we're looking at Delta Airlines, United Airlines, Southwest Airlines, JetBlue Airways, which are major competitors to Spirit Airlines. So with our customer profiles, in 2020, Spirit recorded a number of 18.3 million passengers, but in 2022, Spirit travelers increased to 38.4 million in 2022. So our target markets right now is into three segments. It's a diverse income segments, being middle lower classes, leisure travelers who are traveling on a budget, and college students amongst young adults. So continuing on with the situational analysis, we're going to look at technological advances. So right now, Spirit is implementing an artificial intelligence, and what this will do is assist in optimizing flight scheduling and flight reliability. They're gaining this assistance by Amadeus SkySim, which is a company that will provide Spirit Airlines with this artificial intelligence. So some background about our company, Spirit Airlines. We're one of the most lowest costing airlines to travel with. Along with that, we're headquartered in Miramar, Florida. Countries that we travel to is the Dominican Republic, the Caribbean, Mexico, and Latin America.
So I'm going to talk about the marketing research problem and opportunity. So our current problem is that we're trying to increase customer service and overall image of Spirit Airlines. And our opportunities include that we can add a college loyalty program. We need to advertise more about our loyalty program, and we need to show customers that our customer service has improved and making an emphasis on our low pricing. Some research questions include: what do people think about Spirit's customer service? How much does pricing affect your decision when buying an airline ticket? Does having a student promotion affect the purchases of flights? And does the duration of your trip affect your decision when flying with Spirit? And finally, would having certain perks and loyalty program affect what airline you fly? So here are our hypothesis, and I'm going to tell you each reason for focus for each. So the first one, our reason of focus, is that we're trying to gauge what is and what is not important when it comes to airlines for customers. For hypothesis 2, we are trying to see, due to the low price point of Spirit Airline, if we can get more students to use Spirit Airline if we have an exclusive college program for them. For hypothesis 3, we're trying to see how we can increase the amount of people that take Spirit Airline during busy airline seasons. For number 4, we're trying to get the numbers of how many passengers fly Spirit Airlines now and how we can increase from there. And our final reason of focus is to see what the average duration of trips is when flying Spirit.
So what we have here is our conceptual framework, which consists of our independent, dependent, and controlled variables. Starting with our independent variables, we dialed down it being airline punctuality and reliability, exclusive student programs, additional rewards or discounts, frequency of flying with Spirit Airlines, and duration of a typical trip. For our dependent variables, we dialed down to passengers' choice of airlines, college student participation in loyalty programs, choosing Spirit Airlines for personal trips during busy seasons, number of respondents, and respondents' choice, which led us to our controlled variables being age, income, and transportation.
For our method, we did a questionnaire that consisted of 17 questions, and we received 39 responses. And then for our secondary research, we did a comparison analysis of 7 other airlines, and those included Delta, United, Frontier, American Airlines, Southwest, JetBlue, Alaska, and then a couple of others, including Air France, Turkish Airlines, KLM, and Lufthansa. Our age ranges vary between the ages of 18 and 26, but our most common age range was 20 to 21 with 22 respondents. For our data analysis, we're going to look at a simple regression analysis, a frequency distribution, and a survey analysis of our responses. So here are the results from our hypothesis 2. It's a simple regression analysis. And at first we see a question that we asked in our questionnaire, kind of discussing the importance of exclusive discounts or fair deals in your decision and booking with an airline. And so a lot of our responses were moderately to very important or extremely important. Then we did a analysis below that and where our p-value is significant, and we would reject the null.
So for the second data analysis tool we used, it was a frequency distribution. And we basically used this to find out which types of rewards and benefits motivate someone to join a loyalty program or participate one, especially as a college student. And if you look right below that question, you see the little table that shows all the responses we got. And basically these results just show that the top 3 benefits that make people want to join a program like that is free discounted luggage, checked luggage, free flight upgrades, and bonus miles for signing up. And then all of these can be given to customers by basically just advertising the Spirit loyalty program a little bit more. And then our last and final set of results was a survey question. We basically just analyzed it. And the question was, how frequently do you fly with Spirit? And if you look at the responses and the percentages of them, that you see that people are way less likely to choose Spirit over any other airline. And that only about 11% fly with Spirit at least once a year, and 100% fly with Spirit some and mostly rarely, making Spirit the lesser chosen airline of all the other airline companies.
So with these results, we came up with a few recommendations. The first one being Spirit Airlines should introduce a college targeted loyalty program. The second one being Spirit Airlines should have discounts specifically on holidays and vacations to further give the consumers a more inclination to use the Spirit Airlines loyalty program. For the third one, advertise their Spirit Airlines loyalty program more to the consumer and show all the places their low pricing can take you.
Here's our works cited page, and thank you all for watching our presentation.
Thank you.